Nanavati Max Super-Speciality Hospital launches Oncology and Multi-Organ Transplant OPD services in Guwahati. Medicity Guwahati Super-Speciality Clinic partners with Nanavati Max to expand advanced healthcare in Northeast. New OPD services aim to improve early cancer diagnosis and treatment planning. Multi-organ transplant consultation now accessible for patients in Guwahati and nearby states. Nanavati Max Super-Speciality Hospital, in collaboration with Medicity Guwahati Super-Speciality Clinic, has launched Oncology and Multi-Organ Transplant OPD services in Guwahati to expand access to advanced medical care in the Northeast region. The initiative aims to bring specialized cancer care expertise and multi-organ transplant consultation closer to patients in Guwahati and neighboring states. The services are expected to facilitate early diagnosis, treatment planning, and streamlined referrals to advanced centers for complex procedures. The launch was announced during a press conference held on March 7, 2026 at Hotel Arista. The event brought together leading medical experts and healthcare professionals to highlight a growing need for specialized oncology and transplant services in the region. Prominent oncologists from Nanavati Max Super-Speciality Hospital attended the event, including Dr. Hemant Tongaonkar, Head of Surgical Oncology and Principal Director of Urologic and Gynecologic Oncosurgery, and Dr. Devendra Chaukar, Principal Director and Head of Head and Neck Oncology. The press conference concluded with an interaction session followed by high tea for attendees.
I'm head of the Department of Surgical Oncology and also the head of Urological and Gynecological Oncology at Nanavati Max Hospital. Before that, for 30 years, I worked in Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, where again I was head of Department of Surgery. And last 5 years nearly, now I'm at Nanavati Hospital. Now, Nanavati Hospital is really one of the best cancer hospitals, not only in terms of infrastructure, but we have a manpower. The doctors are the most experienced and skilled in the whole country. Now, the reason why I look after many cancers of kidney, urinary bladder, prostate, which is very, very common now, and testicular cancers and penile cancers. At the same time, in gynae cancers, I look after cervix cancer, which is the most preventable cancer in our body, and minor lifestyle changes and the vaccines which have now come against the human papilloma virus which causes cervical cancer. They have brought down the incidence of cervical cancer drastically, and I think the government is also promoting that. And with that, in the next 10 years, we should be able to completely eliminate cervix cancer from India. We also do a lot of work, advanced work in ovarian cancer, and probably one of the largest such series of what is called ultra-radical surgeries for ovarian cancer. And now the idea of coming here is that Nanavati Hospital is committed to bringing healthcare to people who can't really travel to other cities, to major cities. So bring the healthcare to them and create an atmosphere where they're free to exchange ideas. We have to work with the local doctors and see that what the patient desires and what is best for them. So whatever can be done locally must be done locally, so that the patients are not inconvenienced. But sometimes if it is not available here, then they should not miss out on those treatments, and those patients will definitely help by treating at major centers. Okay? About awareness, as it is said, as is your lifestyle, so is your cancer. As I said, tobacco habit causes cancer. So the human papilloma virus causes cervix cancer. The hepatitis B, the inflammation of the liver, that causes liver cancer and gallbladder cancer. There are so many things that can, where we know the cause of cancer. So we either avoid those causes or treat them. And now we have so many vaccines which are available. So to create an awareness is what is important. If you are aware that these things matter, we'll avoid them and we'll avoid cancer. Thank you.
Head and neck surgeon. I was the head of Tata Hospital for the last. I worked in Tata Hospital for 20 years and headed the department at Tata Hospital, and now I'm working at the Nanavati Max Hospital for the last 3 years. I do cancers of the oral cavity, which is one of the most common cancers in India. Also cancers of the voice box, the larynx, the hypopharynx, salivary gland, thyroids. The head and neck cancer, as you all know, is one of the most common cancer and forms 25% of all the cancers in India today. It is because of the habit of chewing tobacco and smoking, which is prevalent in our country, that forms 85 to 90% of head and neck cancers are because of chewing tobacco. And one message that I want to give today is that if you can stop tobacco, we can prevent most cancers. So me, head and neck surgeon, and my team, our team at Nanavati, which is a vertical split. We have doctors in each specialty. Will be coming here to Assam to see patients and give them the correct advice. Thank you.
At this place, you have
We don't have tie up with any hospital. We have an OPD here, so we will come here, and if patient has any appointment, they can come here and.
Now you have mentioned in your Medicity hospital.
Yeah, Bonamita.
In your village.
Yes, I think she will give you the exact address where we are going to sit, because this is just the opening of the OPD, so we'll be coming.
গম পালে গোটেইখিনি ডাক্তৰে ক'লে আমাৰ গোটেই ফেচিলিটি কথা তো আমি ইয়াতে কথা পাতি আছো হস্পিটেল মেডিচিটিৰ লগত তেওঁলোকৰ লগত এটা আমাৰ টাই আপ কথা চলি আছে তো এনেও হেৰি ডক্টৰখিনি আহিলে তেওঁলোক তাতে বহা হেৰি এটা কৰিলে তাৰমানে মে মাহৰ পৰা আমাৰ তাতে OPD আৰম্ভ হ'ব এপ্ৰিল মাহৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হ'ব তো প্ৰত্যেক মাহতে ডক্টৰ তাতে আহিব এঠাইত ডক্টৰ আহিলে এটা সুবিধা হয় কি পেচেণ্টে গম পায় কি কৰিব লাগে কেনেকে ক'ত যাব লাগে এটা ওৱান পইণ্ট অফ কণ্টেক্ট হ'লে পেচেণ্টৰো এই কনফিডেন্সটো আহে তো আমি সেইটো কৰিব চেষ্টা কৰি আছো বাকি আমাৰতো হস্পিটেলখিনি গোটেইখিনি আপুনি গমেই পাইছে আৰু কিবা সুধিবলগীয়া আছে এপ্ৰিলৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হ'ব বুলি ভাবি আছো আমাৰ বহুত কেঞ্চাৰ টিম আহিব আৰু লিভাৰ ট্ৰান্সপ্লান্ট টিম আহিব দুটা টিম আমাৰ ৰেগুলাৰলি আহিব গুৱাহাটীত আৰু মানে যদি কিবা হেৰি পায় পেচেণ্টৰ আমাৰ লোকেল প্ৰেজেন্স আছে তো কিবা অসুবিধা পালে ডাইৰেক্ট মানে হেৰি এটা সেই কনফিডেন্স দিবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ৰেগুলাৰ হ'ব এটা হেৰি আছে
News Just reports Sach the reality.
বিয়া জন্মদিন বা আপোনাৰ যিকোনো বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে ওৱান ষ্টপ সলিউশন এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ আপোনাৰ প্ৰতিটো অনুষ্ঠানৰ বাবে এটাই শ্ৰেষ্ঠ স্থান গুৱাহাটীজ ফাইনেষ্ট এণ্ড লাক্সাৰিয়াছ বেংকুৱেট হল এম্বিয়েন্স বেংকুৱেটছ পাৰফেক্ট ফৰ এভৰি সেলিব্ৰেশ্যন ফৰ বুকিং contact 7099013417 or visit 5th floor above Reliance Centro, RG Burwa Road, Guwahati.